It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, birds. Morning, Woofie the dog. Morning, sheep. There's Honk the car. There's Swo Swoosh the helicopter. Swo Swoosh knows that sound. It's Toot calling. There's Toot the boat. Why is Toot calling? Look, Woofie has his head stuck in a bucket. Poor Woofie, he can't get his head out. The bucket handle is in the way. What's wrong, Toot? Calls Swo Swoosh.
It's Woofie. That silly dog has gone and got his head stuck in a bucket,
says Toot. Oh dear, Woofie can't see where he is going.
Go and help Woofie get that bucket off his head. He might hurt himself,
says Toot. Honk and Swo Swoosh were off to save Woofie. But how are they going to take that bucket off Woofie's head?
Remember to get Woofie to calm down and stop running. We don't want Woofie to hurt himself,
calls Toot. Toot was right. Woofie can't see where he is going. He might hurt himself. Where did Woofie go? asks Honk.
He went that way with a bucket on his head,
laughs Floppy. You shouldn't be laughing at poor Woofie. Woofie is very scared because he can't see, says Honk. How would you like it if your head was stuck in a bucket and you couldn't get it off? Honk was right. The rabbits wouldn't like it if their head was stuck in a bucket. The rabbits decided to try and help Woofie. Stop, Woofie! It's me, Swo Swoosh! You must stop running, calls Swo Swoosh. Poor Woofie. Woofie, whispers Honk. It's me, Honk. Don't run away. We are going to slowly lift that bucket off your head. Sit, Woofie, sit, says Honk firmly. That's a good dog. Sit nice and still, whispers Honk. Clever Honk. Honk knows the best way to keep Woofie calm is to talk nice and softly. But how is Honk going to get the bucket off Woofie? Please help Honk take the bucket off Woofie's head, asks Swo Swoosh. Now sit nice and still, Woofie. The rabbits are going to lift the bucket off your head, whispers Honk. Honk told Floppy and Fluffy how to take the bucket off Woofie's head. Well done, Honk. Well done, rabbits. Woofie can see again. Woofie has learned a very important lesson. Never put your head into places you can't get it out of again.